I always wanted to have a bike. Actually, didn't get one till I was like 22 or 23. When we were cruising in our cars, we'd see the bikes parked out in front of Quarter Pound, and I'd drive by there 10 times a night so I could look at the bikes. And the sound of them just thundering by, it was just kind of made you feel like you're on the wild side.
Our family's pretty unique. You know, some people call us the first family of custom. We happen to have 3 generations of bike builders and bike designers. You know, of course, my dad starting out back in the late 60s.
Of course, I have my son, Corey, which runs the company, and then my grandson, Zach.
We're lucky enough to work really well together. We all have a little bit of different style, a little bit different taste, but it actually works to our advantage.
We'll get each other's advice and say, hey, what do you think of this? Or you think this is cool? And, you know, it's always great to have family to bounce around some ideas.
My approach to designing from way back, I always liked the looks of the drag bikes, and I always tried to bring that to the street. In fact, that's long and low has always kind of been my, I guess, my trademark.
I've always said my dad's designs are usually a little more, maybe a little more radical, a little more in your face. You know, he likes hanging stuff out there where you can't miss it. Myself, I think I'm a little more of a clean design, cleaner, you know, cleaner lines. Zach's he's got the Ness DNA as well. You know, he likes a little more of the performance side, a little more racy side.
I like to be everywhere. I kind of like to hit every genre of style. I mean, I like the long and low to cruise, but I like to ride the hell out of my stuff.
Designing the pipes and exhaust for MagnaFlow, they not only have to look good, have the right bends and all that stuff, they have to perform.
There's a lot of different ways to approach making motorcycle exhaust systems, and they have the right way of doing it.
Everything that we do has to do with styling, cosmetics, and performance.
Exhaust is kind of like music. It brings emotion out of you, you know, it brings the passion out of you.
When people think of, you know, American-made motorcycle, they think of a rumble that's got some sex appeal to it. That's what we've been able to come up with working with MagnaFlow.
It's all of you inside a motorcycle. It's all of you and expressing yourself within this work of art.
Crack the throttle, clean, crisp, American sound.
I'm Zach Ness.
I'm Corey Ness.
I'm ARLEN Ness.
And this?
And this is the sound.
The sound of MagnaFlow.
Of MagnaFlow.
The sound of MagnaFlow.